Some managers take their role too seriously. And by that, we mean they seriously thought no one would notice them stealing. Here are 5 cases when dumb managers get caught stealing on the job. Number 5. Stealing from the store days after getting the job. Coming up in our first case, officers respond to a Five Below where a supervisor discovered one of his own employees running a scam while on the clock, stealing more than $1,000 in the process. Here's how the situation unfolded once the authorities got involved.
They have them making the loss prevention manager.
Hey, how about talk to us over here before we go in? So, how long has this been happening?
Well, I find out today, but the loss prevention manager, he's been checking and he came today with a folder with all the data that she's been stealing with the day, with the camera and all the information. They got a folder for you guys and they're making the interview right now.
Around how much money is it so far?
If I tell you, I can be wrong, but he was selling almost more than $1,500.
$1,500? Okay. You guys pressing charges?
I guess, yes.
You guess, or you know?
Well, I'm the manager of the store, but I'm not the one that conducts things.
Oh, the LPO's in there, and he's
yes.
okay.
Yeah, she's right now inside with the employee and the district manager.
All right.
Should be in somewhat cooperative.
I came up from the office.
No, we appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't know nothing what's going on right now.
All right, you guys
They
go?
just sent me a text message because the police.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, you're fine. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Isn't he on something else? He's on another 56. With
The police is live. Let me speak with them real quick and I'll call you back. This is store number
993
Drive, right?
International Drive, 5295. He's the loss prevention manager. Yeah.
could we speak up?
Yes, sir. I'll stay temporal.
Okay.
Well, you just sit there watching Brian just say, yeah.
Before officers arrived, the store's asset protection officer had already spoken with the suspect. Now they're preparing to walk the police through how the scheme was carried out.
Good, how are you?
Good, nice to meet you. I'm Gordy Warren with Asset Protection. So the situation I have is I have the state of Florida. I review exception reports and so on. We have an exception report called a mid-void report that shows whenever somebody may be voiding a sale and keeping the cash instead of actually returning it. And here customers give money and they just go.
Right.
And that's what she was doing. She started December 10th, and on December 19th, she conducted her first fraudulent mid-void.
Okay.
I observed that, and I've been sampling all the way through. We've determined, and I have a packet put together for you here, that there was a total of 2023, but when I took out the ones that were legitimate, the total was 1423.
1423.
Yes, ma'am. And I have that packet for you. I can burn all the video. I know that sometimes you all give it to a detective and then I...
No, that's us.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So,
And you call it a mid-void?
it's called a mid-void, yes. So basically they ring the register and before they hit total, the customer gives them the cash and they walk away. All they have to do is hit mid-void. It cancels the sale. They can keep the cash.
Okay.
But it does capture that there was a mid-void that occurred. I then would watch the customer come up, watch the cash exchange, watch the drawer not open, customer walks away and either conceal it under the drawer, in the pocket, or whatever. And I have at least 15 or 20 sample videos that I saved on that.
Okay. Jen, all for this?
I'm sorry?
All for her?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is her name?
Her name is, she is expecting in April. She discloses to me. She's been very cooperative, very apologetic. She said that she has a 17-year-old daughter, that they're homeless, and that she was stealing money in order to take care of them. I tend to believe her. She seems to be very believable. So I have a heart. I feel bad for her, but I have a job I have to do, and we pretty much prosecute over $500.
Okay. So you do want to prosecute?
We do want to prosecute.
Over $1,400 is gone, and the message from management is firm. They want the suspect held accountable. With that, the officers now work to understand exactly how it happened.
The circumstances, I don't know what your protocol is. If you feel that you can he has to appear or release or whatever, that, as long
Well,
as
it's
we...
felony amount, so we can do notice of appeal.
Whatever you all need to do. I'm just one, her to be obviously treated as best as she can under her circumstances, but that's where we're at right now.
Okay. Can you give-
She's writing a statement. So,
Okay, somebody for your store writing a statement yet?
I have not written a statement, but I can.
But you can,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Can you give me the date?
Date of the first offense.
Yeah.
The first offense would have been on December 19th. Last offense on 2/5.
So first, last, and then you gave a December 10th. What was the December 10th?
December 10th is her start date.
When she started working here?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
And what I did was I made up a little like a paragraph summary of what I just told you, and I actually included some screenshots. I know that in a lot of cases, I can go back later and I can take everything from my computer, put it on a thumb drive, and send it to you. I don't have those with me right now.
Okay, I can give you, I can either give you a link,
Okay.
and you can actually upload all that to our link, and it goes directly into our
It'll
evidence.
take a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and if you need more, like I think it accepts like 20 like
Yep.
videos and still pictures or whatnot.
Yep.
I can give you another link, and
Wonderful.
then so I'll give you my information, and you can contact me.
I did not enter into a restitution agreement. We usually do that under 500. She said, yeah, if I'm given an opportunity to do that, but I didn't do that because I know that can cause a conflict if I enter into that. A lot of times, is that
you
a
just-
fact in Florida?
I don't know. I'm still learning the whole area, but you just have to let me know what we like. I can talk to my sergeant, talk to my partner for anything that you guys are willing to do. Because if you're wanting to do a restitution with an agreement, but again, that becomes, I believe, it's like
See, then
civil.
it becomes civil.
Yeah,
You
and then if she decides
My
not to
boss
pay it
said-
back,
My
then
boss said
you're-
over 500, we just let the courts.
Despite her age and clear remorse, charges are still on the table. But management is open to leniency, hoping the experience is enough to keep her from repeating the mistake.
that's perfectly fine.
That's
So
why I didn't
that's-
enter into an
And there
agreement.
comes a point where you can only feel bad for somebody for so much, but she,
Don't get me wrong, I'm not bleeding her. I've been doing this for a long time, but maybe it's because I'm a grandfather now. I don't know.
No, I
just-
get that. You have a heart. You have compassion. 17-year-old.
And especially when you know the difference when they're not BSing you. I was like, I just feel bad for people's circumstance. But anyway, we have to prosecute.
That's
them
fine.
with this.
That's totally understandable. Let me go get you started on a statement, and then I'll go in and speak with her, and then we'll go about it. And
Okay, very
do
good.
that.
Now that they've gotten a full statement from the asset protection manager, officers move on to confront the employee.
You mind if I talk to her for a second?
by me, go ahead.
Hello, are you Latoya? All right, I'm just going to read something off for you real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be provided for you. Has anybody threatened you to talk to me today? Do you understand your rights? Okay, so what happened?
Me and my daughter is homeless, and I was taking cash to feed us and keep us like a shelter and stuff like that. And I admitted to everything.
Okay.
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, I understand.
We sometimes we sleep on the steps.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the hotel we at sometimes.
So how are you taking money?
Like sometimes they overpay me. I take it, put it in my pocket.
Okay.
Or
Who would overpay you?
the customer.
The customer? They want to ask for change or?
No, they don't ask for change. Or sometimes I void out a ticket. It be like $20 or something like that, just to feed us for that night and stuff like that, or whatever. But
How many times do you believe you've done this?
he said it started in December, but we didn't start sleeping on the bench until I said January, but he said
Okay.
I don't remember taking anything in December, but I was into the whole thing. I mean, I took it.
This is a statement you're writing for them?
Yes, sir.
And it's Latoya Luster, correct?
Yes.
What's
With a young child and no stable home, the suspect says she was desperate. And while the officer doesn't excuse the theft, he's willing to hear her out.
That's what,
So the total was $1,495.
that's what he said. I said,
You believe it most likely?
I wasn't keeping up with anything.
Okay.
Nothing. If we needed something to eat, I just looked at amount of food and stuff.
So what's going on with your daughter?
Nothing. We stay together. We just
Yes, sir.
No, I just needed a folder that we need to maybe get.
You can get whatever you need.
It's,
we stay together. So just to feed.
So what brought on the hardship?
We were staying. We had a place, and I ended up losing the place
Okay.
or whatever. And then I got pregnant, so we were staying with somebody, and they told us we had to leave.
Mm-hmm.
So we moved to the hotel and stuff. You know, hotels sometimes they get highs and stuff like that. So, and then by me being pregnant and stuff. So I just do the best I could.
Okay. How old's your daughter?
My daughter's 17.
17. Well, you know there's resources to reach out for
I
stuff like
did.
that.
I reached
Yeah.
out to them and stuff. My doctors gave me resources or whatever, but they say they overbooked and stuff. So I did. I reached out to them. Like, it wasn't.
Expecting another child, the suspect tells officers that financial stress is what pushed her to void transactions and take the cash.
So how many times do you believe you've taken money from your, over the span of what, from December till now?
He said it started December. I didn't even take anything.
That's all right.
The only thing it started was I thought it started after the 31st, my first time. December.
After the 31st of December? Okay.
We didn't have nowhere to sleep.
What's the most you've taken in like one period of time?
It usually be just like $20 here, $20 there.
Throughout a shift, you might do it
Yeah.
multiple times? Okay.
I
I mean,
a lot of
because
shit.
$1,400, that adds up if you're taking it at $20 a
Yeah,
pop.
that's how he said they added it up and stuff
Okay.
like that. But that's I know that's what I take. Like I
Okay.
kind
And
of
when did you start again? December?
I don't remember when it started. I think
Okay.
12, 14 and stuff like
Okay.
that.
All right. Well, let me talk to the manager and I'll come back, okay? You mind saying 10-12? Do you have an ID on you? Do you mind if I take a look at it?
It's in the break room.
It's in the break room. Do you mind if I grab it? Is it like in a purse or? Okay.
It's a brown Michael Kors purse.
Brown Michael Kors purse? Okay.
He's up in the car.
Yeah. Is this the purse? And where's the ID at? Here, if you don't mind, I'll grab it. Is it in your wallet? Right here.
If you're gonna go to jail, can I please call my daughter?
You'll have a phone call at the jail, just so that you'll be able to call from there. Do you need me to write down a number or something for you? Is that?
For my husband, yeah.
I'm sorry? Yeah. Do you have a phone in here? Oh, you have your phone?
With everything said and done, the officer places her under arrest. She'll be heading to the station next.
You don't have it?
I gotta have to look for
Okay,
it.
that's fine. Here, I'll put that page upstairs. Can you just hold your hands out like this for me?
How far along are you? 6 months? 6 months?
Yeah. You want to put it up there? You're gonna search for it, right?
So how do you stand up? Go ahead and this one. Nothing in your pockets that you know of. Pull your pants up. Front or back?
I'm just gonna put this over so.
Better. Is that good? Your pants?
That's it before you leave. I'm very sorry about everything, but based on the circumstance and in a long.
Okay. We're gonna walk over here. Second person to go.
Just continue straight in. Nice man. Appreciate that.
You got the paperwork for me? We're actually up here.
It's this one right here.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah. Talk to her really quick about something.
You can give my daughter my pocketbook.
Which one? Your backpack? Alright. Yeah, the backpack's gonna go with your daughter. Okay. So just leave it out of the car. No, you're not gonna be able to talk to her. You wanna just take it since I
Everything can go to the daughter? Okay.
In the end, the woman was charged with grand theft. Number 4. An 18-year-old learns the hard way that actions have real consequences. This next case out of Indian River County, Florida, took place on November 11, 2024, after a supervisor caught an 18-year-old cashier stealing gift cards during her shift. When officers arrived, management wasted no time explaining what led up to the call.
Is since August 19th until November 5th, she has been activating gift cards without paying for them and then keeping the gift cards for herself. And that's a total of $1,724.95 of losses that she has been causing.
Okay.
Now she also said that she had taken about $300 in cash, but I don't have any evidence of that, so that's just something that she verbally also said.
Okay. What's the handwritten side?
That's just her admission. Now, I also have on the flash drive this, along with all the receipts for all of this, along with all the video for all of this. So for all of this, I have video on the flash drive, all the receipts on the flash drive.
Okay.
And this itself is also on that same flash drive.
Okay.
That if you want it, you can have it.
Please, definitely. How old is she?
18.
18. And you wish to pursue charges?
Yes.
Now it's the 18-year-old's turn to speak, and before anything else, the officer begins by reading her Miranda rights.
I'm Deputy Kramer. I'm here obviously in relation to the incident that's been going on with you and your employer. So I'm going to explain something to you, okay? At this point in time, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against...
I'm getting arrested.
Hang on. Just listen to me, okay? Just listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to hire a lawyer and have him or her present during questioning if you wish. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before any questioning. You can decide at any time to stop answering questions or make any statements until you have a lawyer present with you. Do you understand these rights? With these rights in mind, do you wish to answer questions?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So what's been going on?
I've been taking money to buy food and stuff for me and my little sister for a little while.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 18. I
18?
just turned 18.
Okay. And you said you're taking it to buy food for your little sister and you?
I don't have nobody.
Okay, calm down. What's the home life situation like? Is it
It's like-
just you and your sister, or
It's my mom. She works a lot, so she's not really there. So it's basically me and my sister, but she's with my older sister right now because my mom's at work and I'm at work. So I'm getting arrested.
so you will be going to jail today?
Who's gonna pardon me out?
You'll have to make a phone call from the jail, okay?
Why am I getting arrested?
So your employer wanted to pursue charges, okay?
I wanted to pursue
So-
charges.
According to her employer, the 18-year-old had been scanning and stealing gift cards during her shift undetected until the total reached $1,700. Even with that amount, she seemed shocked to be facing charges.
For real?
Do you know the total dollar amount of money you took?
He told me
How much do you think you took?
Like 1,000 maybe in total.
Okay. And how were you doing this?
The first I just took cash and then I was just scanning the gift card.
So you'd scan the gift card and do what?
Just put an amount in that I needed.
Okay.
I don't know what love is nobody. I've never been in trouble and nothing. And I've been freaking out because I don't think they're gonna get me out.
When did this start happening?
Maybe like a month or 2 months ago, maybe. But it wasn't like an everyday thing.
Okay.
That's when they started lowering my pay and stuff.
Okay. How many times a day would you do this?
Probably like three times with the cards. But I stopped taking cash. I just started doing the cards. Cause
How much in cash do you think you took?
probably like 300 in total. Can I text her?
You can make a phone call. What register is your wallet at?
3.
3. Can you have somebody grab that for me?
You think I'll get out today?
So you probably won't get out till you probably have to spend the night. And you'll get out first thing in the morning. You have to see a judge in the morning, okay?
No. I said I was gonna pay him back. I can't.
So
Is there
unfortunately,
anything
it's,
I can do so you won't press charges?
Unfortunately, this is what the company wants to do.
Now in tears, she listens to what lies ahead. But at this point, there's nothing she can say or do to undo what's been done.
Elizabeth, when did you get hired here?
In August,
Okay.
my sister said she's just on her way now.
I'm sorry?
Well, my sister said she's on her way now.
Okay. Have you ever stolen before in your life? Never been in any trouble?
My adopted mom is coming, not my real mom.
Okay. Do you need anything else from me? I know she's doing the trespass, but you need anything from me?
No, I mean, I'll make sure I give you the flash card.
Okay, you can just give it to her when she comes back in for the paperwork.
Okay.
All right, Elizabeth. Do you want her to leave the apron?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have anything at the register that's your personal belongings?
Yeah, I got it. Mom's here. Can you
Okay.
get her?
Yep, we're gonna walk out. We're gonna talk to her out there, okay? So just grab your stuff. Do you want to have your mom take your stuff? Okay.
I don't know where she is.
Alright.
So what's all finna happen?
So I'm gonna take you up to the jail. All right. You'll hang out in there while I write my paperwork, and then you'll be turned over to them. They're gonna basically put you into the system, and then you'll see a judge in the morning.
What time in the morning?
Around 8 o'clock. And then I'll go. If you want to sign here, this just means that you're also trespassed from this location, okay? They don't want you coming back. If you do, you will be arrested, okay?
Do you want your phone to go with you? Okay.
She's about to be taken in, but her mother makes it just in time to retrieve her belongings.
So I'm gonna give all of her stuff to you. Okay. I'll explain to you kind of what's going on. I don't know how much she explained to you. But I guess she was caught stealing from the business. I guess she was charging gift cards and pocketing the gift cards. And she's been doing it for a few months now. And I guess she also admitted to taking cash as well. So, but due to the dollar amount, it does constitute a felony. So we don't have discretion on it. She's got to go. They're persistent on pursuing charges. So if you'd like, you can talk to her.
Let me go get something to sign it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is me out. Mom, you gotta get me out of here, please.
I ain't got nailed down. That's my head.
You gotta call Mike. You gotta get out of here. You gotta go. They're gonna eat me up. Mom.
Calm down.
12-4 Wanky on channel 2.
Where you get these out in Beverly? I ain't seen you with no men. I ain't seen you with that.
They said it was $2,000.
Good.
You gotta call everybody. You gotta call them.
There are more tears to come, but now she waits to be formally charged with grand theft.
Here, I'm gonna take my password off so you can get into my phone and you can call them people. Don't give nobody my phone.
You got AJ?
No, I don't want to know. No.
He gonna find out.
You're gonna call Mark, call everybody that's in my phone.
Elizabeth, you want this to go with Mom?
Here,
This
It's
is just
just
a
your
copy
copy.
of the trespass, okay?
take all that.
This is the evidence. There.
Thank you.
And then I'll put this in your front seat, okay?
Do you know your mom's phone number? Okay. So give it a little bit. She'll be able to give you a phone call. Once you get there, you'll be able to talk to the booking deputies, okay? They can be able to give you a little more information of the process, okay?
Can you tell her to call AJ? You see her?
12-4 adult female
Tell her
1015.
to call AJ.
AJ?
No, tell me when to call AJ.
Okay.
I'll give it away.
Yep. So you'll see a judge, okay? And they're basically gonna read over the case and determine whether or not there's probable cause for the arrest. All right, and then from there, it's just gonna be a bond amount, okay?
In addition to the felony charge, the woman was terminated from her job and officially trespassed on the property. Number 3, she was hired to clean, but she took home more than a paycheck. On April 3, 2024, police were dispatched to a reported burglary. However, this time, the homeowner already knew who was behind it. He claims the woman he hired to clean the home was the one responsible. Here's what the officers walk into when they arrive.
Took some family photos. Don't even know why. Then she went to my house. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Didn't want to touch me. I need a DNA sample. She just, ate my.
Was your door locked? Or?
Well, the front door is pretty much always open because the animals.
Okay.
Sorry.
What?
Sorry.
No, you're good. Just don't want him to get outside.
Yeah. Anyway, ate my peanut butter. Like, basically went through everything and ransacked it.
Yeah.
Well, I guess she left most of it. But still. She went to the bird's cage. The bird's cage was open. I closed it.
Tango 13 Ocala.
Keep the bird in.
Okay.
Then she walked into my room.
Where's that at? Or
Yeah.
that side? And what'd she do there?
She walked in. I told her, get the f out.
Yeah.
I almost punched her in the face, and she said, oh, I was hired to feed your animals.
Okay. Well, and the picture frame she took outside?
Yeah.
Where were those at?
It was hanging on the wall.
Hanging on the wall?
Since the homeowner knew exactly who the suspect was, officers were able to locate her quickly. After a brief struggle, they managed to bring her into custody.
Okay. You're in handcuffs. You're obviously under arrest. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. And you can decide any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand what those rights are? You don't give a but do you understand what they are?
When you're right, you're right.
Okay.
Rights don't exist.
Okay. Okay. Well, I want to ask you questions about what happened, but unless you can tell me that you understand. But before we do that, do you understand that you don't have to talk to me?
I want to though, so I can get out.
Okay, you want to talk to me? Okay. What do you want to tell me?
I was prompted to go over and address the man about a dog and feed it earlier. Like 10 years ago, he knew you'd get it, and he said, bring over the coffee, pretend to pour it, and then put it on the bus stop.
Right.
And I did that. And then I went back to the bus stop, and on the way I asked the man if he wanted some coffee. He hired me to do that about 10 years ago. And then you guys showed up and then put me in cuffs. So. Oh, no, sorry. I'm sorry.
Do you know the name of the person whose house you were in?
I was living my life, and a truck pulled up. I was prompted to go up to it, and they said, go to the trailer park. So I said, okay. So I followed myself to the house. I was prompted to go in. I noticed the jobs I was hired for, but the roommate didn't understand anything because he hadn't heard about it. I was prompted to open his door. I said sorry. I grabbed my things, and then I left.
97.
Did you eat anything while you were there?
I made Jif, and that's what Austin knew. He said I have a bite or two or three or four of Jif to rescue me from a lack of hydration.
Right.
But I had a little bit of Jif.
Her speech is disjointed, and it quickly becomes clear she may be under the influence. As the officer continues questioning her, her answers only get more bizarre.
I made Stetson, so I poured a little Zetson. I started to wash the dishes. I was hired to wash the dishes. And then I poured vinegar on it because Dylan Hines hired me to take off the...
Who hired you?
Dylan Hines.
Who's Dylan Hines?
A person. He hired me to pour vinegar all... Was it you? To pour vinegar all over the faucet so it would come off, so he would have to worry about the toilets in the public areas.
Okay. Dylan Hines.
Yeah.
How much did he pay you to do this?
I worked for 40 years on purpose already, so I'm in like an experiment.
Okay. Okay. What's the address of the house you went into? Do you know it?
Well, it wasn't mine. I thought that I was supposed to live there because I
thought you were supposed to live there?
Because I recognize all the prompts, like go this way and like be tranquil. So I was like, okay, cool. So I was like setting things up. I was just like living my life. I guess I figured that I was gonna stay, but I was really copacetic. I did what I was supposed to do. I was hired, and then I left when I did. Perfect timing, and everything was perfect.
Was the house unlocked?
Yeah.
So you just let yourself in?
Yeah. Like I walked up and I hesitated because I was like, I looked at the lock and it was unlocked. So I was like, okay, this means this is the signal. I've been working outside for Earth for so long that I just figured it was time to go home. Or I'm not sorry, this is my home. I'm in my home, but I mean, it's this time to go to my trailer. But
did you break anything in the house?
No.
Any picture frames that you didn't like?
Well, there was this hybrid of me and the person that wasn't there yet,
right.
And it was illegal, so
right.
I put it near the space that it deletes things into the laboratory or without a laboratory. Those spaces by the road. You had me to say this.
Okay. Okay. So you're going to be placed under arrest for burglary of an occupied dwelling. You went into somebody's home and destroyed some things, the Jif and the framed.
At this point, her answers show just how confused she is about the situation. Regardless, she'll be facing the consequences for what she did.
But I was a part of the picture.
Okay.
It was a picture of me.
All right, but that's what you're being charged with, okay?
That's illegal.
Any questions?
That's illegal.
Okay, that's what you're being charged with.
No, I'm not.
Okay. She's not under arrest.
Stop.
That's what she told me. Okay.
Pretty much everything's done. I added the theft charge prior. I can email records and get it off.
No, leave it on.
So
we'll do theft and criminal mischief and burglary. We'll do all of it.
Tabs are done except the arrest tab. Photos are uploaded right now.
Do you want me just to deliver to the jail and you take your arrest? Okay. I'll write a PC out and...
I got one print card I just got to do.
Okay.
So,
but she admitted to it too, so solid. Alright, I'll take her to jail.
So she's new around here. I trespassed her Monday from Circle K on 60th. Marker did trespass her from Circle K up here.
3 encounters with her my last shift.
Oh, have you? Okay. So,
yeah.
She's been sleeping like in the middle of parking lots. People think she's dead.
Yeah. Roadways. Yeah. All right, send me those photos. I appreciate it.
I just texted them to you.
All right.
And like that, they're uploaded right now to CIO.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate it, buddy.
All right.
The woman was ultimately charged with criminal mischief, theft, and burglary. Number 2. Woman's legal career was a lie, and so was everything else. This next case doesn't involve an employee, but someone pretending to be one. Officers were called to a Citibank after a woman posing as a lawyer allegedly tried to cash multiple fraudulent checks. Her scheme had slipped through at other branches, but this time a staff member caught the red flags and alerted authorities.
Is my partner in there?
With the girl.
Okay.
So I just want to give you a little bit of a history without her hearing me.
Okay.
She's been coming into branches for the last few weeks taking money. Yesterday we got a call from back office. She's not who she says she is. They've already blocked the account. We've confirmed with the client that this is not her.
Okay.
She's taken a lot of money from these people. She has...
Ma'am, can I speak to you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I guess what's going on with your account?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
All right. Do you have your ID with you?
She has it.
She has it?
Yes.
All right. What's your name? Grace?
Yeah, she has all my information.
Okay. Here, let's go over to the counter.
I was going to use the restroom.
Well, give it a second, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Here, let's just go to the counter here. Could you see that we get her ID? I guess there's some confusion about who you are and what your accounts are.
There should be.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I go outside?
No.
Oh.
Here, have a seat right here for me. Here, have a seat. Here, have a seat. All right. Now, who gave you this check?
It's right here.
Okay. And what did they give you the check for?
I'm a lawyer, so.
Okay. All right. So it's for services?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you live in Coral Gables right now?
Yes, I have an Airbnb that I'm doing in Biscaya.
Okay.
So.
All right. So what does La Raza Enterprises do?
It's one of the my clients.
For privacy reasons, the checks have been blurred in the video. At this point, it's clear the suspect isn't as knowledgeable about her so-called clients as she claims, unable to answer even basic questions about them.
With like what kind of work do you what business are they in?
I'm not sure. It's my client. He wrote the check.
Okay. You say he's your client, but you don't know what business he's in?
No, I'm sorry.
Is it a person or an actual business?
No, it's a person.
Okay.
Oh, it's there.
Hello.
Hey, sit with me for a second.
Come here and get a translator.
Hey,
Yeah.
I need to know what's going on.
I just told your partner. So she's been coming into 2 branches the last few weeks withdrawing money. We got an email from back office yesterday that this is not the client.
So this company, they said did not issue
This
her the check?
actual person
Uh-huh.
does not, this is not her.
That's not her.
We've got emails yesterday from back office that person has not came into a branch at all.
Right.
She lives in Coral Gables. That's where she does all her banking. She
Right.
does not come to Delray.
So she's not.
That's correct.
And we don't know who she is?
That's correct. I have a client who needs a translator in the lobby. I'm not sure what she needs. She's sitting down. Stay with her.
The officer now hears from another employee who details how the bank confirmed the scheme was fraudulent.
She came in yesterday, and immediately after I did the transaction, we received emails from the representative for the client, because they're actually kind of a high-level client.
Right.
And immediately,
This La Raza Enterprises?
no, it's the exact same name as her, And there's also another signer on the account, so it's the two of them. Has nothing to do with any business, at least on their personal accounts, but that's where she's transacting, is the personal account. The account number is
So
on
we're
the
saying
back.
this is a fake ID?
It's got to be, because that's not her. That is the address of the client, but that's not her. And she's also gone to the Boynton branch, and we looked at their transactions. They never come up here. They're like Coral Gables.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, they confirmed that it's not. She is not the client.
She is not the client, but,
She is
and,
not
and, and there is a client named?
She is not her. Okay. She is not her.
Oh, okay. I'm still confused. So how do they know that who she is?
They looked at their banking, their online banking, and saw transactions that were not authorized by the client. So they contacted us.
Now the client being?
No, the client is, I don't know where this check came from. She's depositing it. Yesterday, she deposited a check and made a withdrawal. And so they saw on their online banking that, they did not do the clients, did not do the transactions. So they verified it's confirmed fraud. She is committing fraud, this woman that's
And she's
here.
trying to deposit this?
Trying to deposit. Yesterday, she took cash back, but that is not her.
Okay.
They confirmed it last night. We've been emailing back and forth since like almost immediately after the transaction.
As one officer speaks with bank staff, another keeps an eye on the suspect, who seems reluctant to share anything about her real identity.
What brought you up here?
I have an Airbnb that I'm working on in Vizcaya.
Oh, nice. Vizcaya? It's far from here, isn't it?
Oh, it's right here on Breast Atlanta.
Oh, not Vizcaya. I was thinking Dayton, Vizcaya. What do you drive? Ma'am? Ma'am?
A Cadillac.
A Cadillac? What color is it?
White.
Let me just check this in the car on the computer. I'll be right back.
She drives a white Cadillac, she said.
All right. Cadillac out here.
As one officer finalizes the paperwork in his cruiser, a bank employee approaches to say the real account holder is on the phone, calling from a Chicago police station to report the fraud.
Yeah.
So I'm on the phone. This client is right now in a police station in Miami right now.
This,
The actual lady is in a police station right now in Miami. Correct.
Yeah, well, this is the actual woman.
Yeah, that's
Similar, but not, but not.
Definitely not.
I think I forgot to advise them how to
Speak to them because I have them on the phone, or does that not matter?
No, it'll be good to speak to them. They're in the police department?
She's in a police department in Miami.
Have her speak to an officer to get a sworn statement.
Sworn statement.
Yeah, a sworn statement, if possible on video, if not, paper is good.
Perfect.
Okay.
After speaking with the victim, officers have little doubt that the woman in front of them isn't a lawyer at all, but someone using another person's identity to commit fraud.
All right, I think we figured this out. All right, I'm required to warn you before you make these statements that you have the following constitutional rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions, do you understand? You have the right to remain, any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make these statements and during any questioning, do you understand? Okay. All right, now you said you're a lawyer, so I guess all those rights you understand. All right, I guess the big question is, while I have your driver's license in hand, what's your real name?
That is, I'll speak to my attorney.
All right. You can do that.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to place you under arrest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you could just step down.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
I'm trying to for you. That's all I was doing. Trying to be resist
I'm just trying to make it
I'm
comfortable for you.
Yeah.
If you do it like you're praying, it's more comfortable.
this one. I should have put these things down first. All right, I'm placing you under arrest for fraud.
Okay.
All right, what we're going to do is I'm going to collect some information. You want to hang with her for a second while I get some of the supporting stuff? I guess you were here yesterday. You withdrew some money? Okay.
I'm just going to talk to my attorney.
Once at the station, the questioning begins quickly. Unfortunately, the suspect offers little to no cooperation.
Sworn statement from her. Citibank said I have to subpoena everything. She would give me a sworn statement, video, copies of the documents. The only thing I got is the check today.
Okay.
And I spoke to the actual victim who said she doesn't know who this woman is, she doesn't know how she got her information, and she doesn't even know who this company is.
Okay.
But she was trying to deposit, and basically yesterday she deposited yesterday she deposited a $5,800 check from some company called Axio, and she withdrew $4,000 immediately after. So she stole $4,000, and today she was going to attempt to deposit that. We don't know how much she was going to withdraw.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you read Miranda?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. He said he read you Miranda already. Do you understand all that? Okay. Would you like to speak with me for a few minutes?
No, I just want to talk to my attorney.
Okay. And you said you did get her real name and everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
In the end, the woman was charged with grand theft, passing a forged check, bank fraud, and presenting a fraudulent ID. She was sentenced to 9 months of probation. Number 1. Woman caught stealing on the clock, all to feed an addiction. Our final case takes us to a Skechers store where an employee was caught stealing cash during her shift to fuel an addiction. By the time officers arrived, management had already confronted her, and she had admitted to what she'd done. Here's what happened next.
How you doing?
That is a reality that they decided on today. So,
Are you the LP?
I am. I don't decide on what happens after this.
I'm like literally trying to change my tampon too fast and like.
Not right now. Just give me a second, okay? You mind if I talk to you?
Yeah, absolutely.
So what's going on?
So it was brought to my attention that there was a suspicious returns taking place at another store, West Palm Beach, Military Trail. They have cameras, so I was able to log into the system and validate that she was falsifying returns.
In West Palm?
At West Palm Beach and here. So she started over there from August to her last day there, came over here, helped them with the new store opening, with the shipment. The store's been open since Friday. On Saturday and Sunday we have fraud taking place as well.
At the other store?
Here.
Here?
Yeah. So
Okay.
been open for 3 days, 2 days of which already have fraud linked to it. Me and Helen, my auditor, came down because this is our domain, this is what we do. I went to talk to her, see what's going on, and she explained everything. She's having some difficulty with her mortgage payment, and that's where the money was going to.
Okay. So as far as the stores in West Palm, you'd have to contact West Palm for that, or either West Palm or...
2 different jurisdictions?
Yeah.
I'll speak to them.
Is this is the report?
This is the statement, correct?
She wrote or you wrote?
She wrote. This is her letter of apology explaining everything. I have all the evidence, but I guess I'll take it to West Palm Beach because part of it's yours, part of it's theirs.
So as far as what happened in Gardens, what do you have?
So 9/14 and 9/15, these are the returns that took place here. This is why the invoice numbers are so small, because the store is brand new. This was verified by our district manager, so he was the one that identified that they're all missing in the inventory.
Unfortunately for the suspect, the case against her is solid, backed by witness statements and clear surveillance footage showing her in the act.
These are the ones from West Palm Beach, all on camera.
All these?
Yep. I have a flash drive with everything on it that I'll give to whoever I give to, but the amount that we're talking about related to you would be these numbers here. I can put some math together if it makes it easier so you know it's not going to be.
It's going to be below 750.
Yeah, it's on the phone. Just a minute.
Do me a favor, raise your right hand for me. You swear and affirm everything you told me is the truth and nothing but the truth? Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
Yes.
So how was she doing it?
Ring up customer sales. Shortly after that, conduct the return as if they were coming back to return the items.
So she would conduct the sale. They would leave with their merchandise.
5 minutes later, an hour later.
5 minutes and an hour later, she would
Process
it like a refund. And how did she get money out of this?
Well, if the system thinks that a legitimate return is happening, the till will pop open, receipt will print, till will close. She would pocket the cash. There was no merchandise ever coming back because she was typing them in manually.
So she would take the cash out, put it in her pocket.
She would either keep the receipt or research the transactions via our electronic journal to find the transactions that she was valuable enough to return.
Gotcha.
And then proceed to conceal the cash.
Gotcha. And I'm assuming Skechers, they want to prosecute?
Absolutely.
All right, so just to clarify, she would ring out the order. The person that purchased the shoes or whatever, the merchandise, they would take the merchandise out of the store. Hour later, short time frame later, she would put in the system a refund. At which time the register would open and she would take the cash out and pocket it.
Correct.
Gotcha.
And just I kind of put all the detail here. These are when the returns took place. All the sales took place at 12, so give or take hour to 4 hours in between the sales.
And you have video of this too?
No, because there's no cameras at the store. Only at the store.
It wasn't a complicated scheme. The audit showed strange returns, and from there, it didn't take long for the store management to connect the dots.
Okay. No cameras here, but these were all in West Palm?
Yep. Everything up until that day right here. The cameras were offline then. I had to put a ticket in to fix it. Came back online about 2 days after that date. And then all these returns are all on CCTV there.
Okay. All right. And then what is this? This is for the West Palm?
Yeah, that's for them.
Okay. Mackenzie? So what happened? What's going on? I'm sorry? Everything you wrote on the statement is true? Tell me how you did it. Be honest with me. Tell me how you did it. What happened? Tell me what happened. Tell me what. Everything you wrote down is what you wrote on that paper that you showed me? Huh? I can't hear you. Yeah? Everything that's what?
I never said yes.
You never said yes? So that what the statement that he said you wrote, that's not you? That you have the pen sitting right in front of you? Just be honest with me. People make mistakes.
You realize we're talking to you over here right now, over there. He's asking you a question. Can you answer the question, please?
Yes, I do realize that we're talking right here.
Okay, so you don't have to stare at him. Don't look at him.
I'm looking down the stairs.
Did you write this statement or not?
Yes, I wrote this.
You wrote the statement. So everything on the statement is true. Why'd you do it?
She hesitates to respond, but officers press for what they really want to know: her motive behind the false returns.
Because I had some issues going on.
Okay, that's all I'm asking is for just to be honest. That's all.
No, I know what. Okay, yes.
So you have some financial things that so to help with that, you were doing the refund, and I'm curious on how you actually did it.
I wouldn't like to further any questioning here.
Okay. We're gonna take a walk downstairs, okay?
Can I just say one thing before we do that? I gotta say, Mackenzie, because it's just part of the job, and it's part of the system, but at this point in time, the company has decided to terminate it. A copy of the store key there. Yeah, I got that before you go.
If you want to trespass from the properties, we'll give you up to 18 months. Yes, want to go up to 18 months? That's all we can do.
So you're gonna be trespassed from here for 18 months too, okay?
Yeah, we'll give you a case number.
Gardens Bravo 43.
When the suspect invokes her Fifth Amendment right, officers move in and place her in cuffs. Even so, they'll try to see if she'll offer anything useful, only to uncover something shocking in her belongings.
How do you use this for your workout?
Because I lost the ski for it.
So if I test this, it's not going to come back.
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, test, get in the car. It's not gonna come back.
I don't do that anymore.
I'm sorry?
I don't do that anymore.
You don't do it anymore?
No. You don't my cash charges?
Okay, so what's, you drink a mini drink with this one?
No.
Now what do you use this one for?
That? I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
I just want to,
You're good. You're good.
I've been doing this a long time.
Okay.
What's in here?
Nothing. And based on my training experience, those you snort, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to tell you right now that you say there's nothing on you, but if there's something on you and we don't find it, you get taken to the jail, it's an additional charge.
I already know.
Sorry?
I said I know that.
Okay.
Huh?
I please tell you something from everybody.
Can you tell me something?
Yeah.
What you got?
I don't want to say it out loud.
Alright, yeah, come on.
Before being escorted outside, the woman gives the officer yet another confession.
I can't close it all the way.
I do have something in my wallet.
You have stuff in your wallet? What do you have? Okay.
I didn't want to say it, but please don't
I
say
appreciate.
it.
I'm sorry. In front of them?
And this, can you wait till you outside?
Absolutely.
I wasn't trying
For
to
you,
lie.
yeah, for you, absolutely. Appreciate the honesty.
Yeah, just, I know it's safety concern.
Yeah, thank you.
What?
That wallet.
I didn't want it. I told him I wasn't trying to lie.
If you see me being honest, you don't want that. I said that's fine. You said it's in your wallet? So this way I could tell the female officer when she comes.
It's not going with it.
I just,
Okay?
yeah, I do want to.
What's that? Oh, don't worry about that.
Yeah, thank you. Yep, need that. One second. You got it?
Okay.
Thank you.
Just go under it or what?
Yep.
Under this one?
Yep. No. You just sit back.
Oh. I'm sorry, I thought I was supposed to go under. I didn't know you were going to connect it.
You want this in your trunk or in the front seat?
Definitely not by me.
The final outcome? A charge of scheme to defraud. What's your verdict? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, stay safe out there, folks.